School teaches us how to get a job, not how to build assets. So if you're starting from zero, you're not behind. You're actually at the perfect starting point because you have nothing to unlearn. And today, I'll show you how to use that to your advantage. The first thing you need to understand is that investing is not just stocks or crypto. Investing simply means putting your time, skills, or effort into something today that gives you more value in the future. When you don't have money, time becomes your capital, attention becomes your currency, and skills become your leverage. This is how real beginners start. Think about this for a moment. Every successful investor you admire started by learning before earning. Warren Buffett invested in knowledge long before he invested big money, and that's exactly where you start too. Your first investment is learning how markets work, how money flows, and how opportunities are created. You don't need to pay for expensive courses. The internet already has everything. YouTube, blogs, podcasts, free tools. The key is knowing what to focus on instead of wasting time on random content. Now, here's where most beginners make a mistake. They try to jump directly into making money fast. They look for overnight returns or quick profits. That mindset is dangerous because when you rush, you become emotional, and emotional investors always lose. The smart beginner focuses on building a foundation first. This foundation protects you from losses later. One of the most powerful ways to start investing with zero money is by investing in a high-income skill. A high-income skill is something that the market pays well for and doesn't require a degree or upfront capital. Skills like content writing, video editing, graphic design, social media management, copywriting, web development, AI tools, usage, and digital marketing. These skills turn your time into money. And once you have money, investing becomes easy. But here's the secret most people don't tell you. You don't need to master everything. You just need to be slightly better than average. The internet rewards action, not perfection. You can learn one skill for free, practice it for a few weeks, and start offering it to people online. Platforms like freelancing websites, social media, and even email outreach allow you to monetize skills without any investment. You stop seeing yourself as someone who can invest and start seeing yourself as someone who is building momentum. Investing through exposure. You can invest in markets without owning assets directly. How? By learning how industries work, tracking companies, following market trends, and understanding how money moves. This prepares you for when you do have capital. Most beginners lose money because they enter markets without understanding them. You'll be different. For example, you can track stock markets daily without buying anything. Watch how prices move. Learn why they move. Understand news, earnings, and market psychology. This costs nothing but gives you experience. Experience is an asset, and assets compound. Another powerful way to start with zero money is through content creation. Yes, creating content is a form of investing. When you create content around finance, investing, skills, or even your own journey, you're building a digital asset. Videos, blogs, and posts work for you 24/7. They attract opportunities, clients, and income streams over time. And the best part, you don't need money to start. Just a phone and consistency. Many people underestimate this because they think content creation is overcrowded. But the truth is, authenticity is rare. If you share real learning, real struggles, and real progress, people connect. And attention is the new currency. Those who can capture attention ethically will never struggle financially. Now let's talk about micro-investing strategies that don't require upfront cash. Some platforms allow you to earn rewards, bonuses, or credits that can later be invested. Others offer referral systems, learning rewards, or simulated investing environments. While these won't make you rich overnight, they train your brain to think like an investor. And that training is worth more than money. Another underrated strategy is investing through communities. Join free communities, forums, Discord servers, and comment sections. Ask questions, observe patterns. Networking doesn't require money. It requires curiosity and humility. Stop asking, how much money do I need to start investing? And start asking, what can I build today that will pay me tomorrow? That question opens doors. Money is just a tool. Value creation comes first. Let's talk about common mistakes beginners make when starting with zero money. If you don't understand what you're investing in, don't touch it. Another mistake is comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 10. Everyone starts somewhere. Focus on progress, not perfection. And you'll realize that starting with zero was actually a blessing because it forced you to build the right foundation. There are no shortcuts. You need consistency. As you move forward, always remember this principle. Invest in things that grow, even when you sleep. If this video helped you see investing differently, take 1 second to subscribe.